pretties. Won't you be joining me today for Halloween tricks and treats? Let me give you a preview of some of the ghastly things we'll be making today. I don't know where your precious Jessiker is. Shut up. That's better. Come, as I show you some of my favorite treats to eat. Yum! The first thing we'll be making is bloody hand punch, sure to scare your guests. You're going to need a glove, surgical or latex will do. Fill it with water and place it in your freezer. You get a nice glass icy hand. Cut off the end and let that sucker float. A finger for you, my dear. The next, of course, witch brooms. How else can I travel? You're going to need some mini Reese's, a few pretzel sticks, and all you need to do is press them inside of the Reese's, and you have the best way to travel. Next, a bag of bones, of course. You'll need some pretzel sticks and marshmallows and some white chocolate. All you need to do is press the marshmallows onto the end of the pretzel sticks and dip them in the white chocolate. You'll have deliciously coated bones. Have a few more. The next thing we'll be making are pumpkin pretzels. You'll need white chocolate and milk chocolate melted, pretzels, and orange sprinkles, and of course a few broken pieces of pretzels. All you need to do is dip the pretzel in the white chocolate and cover it with the orange sprinkles. While that's drying, we're going to dip the broken piece into the milk chocolate and place it as a stem. Put a bit more white chocolate and cover it with green sprinkles now. My favorite. Oreo spiders. You'll need fondant or frosting, something pliable. Pretzel sticks. And of course, Oreos. Open the Oreos, place the pretzel sticks inside like spider legs. And once you've placed that down, remove your fondant or frosting and press them into the spiders. How easy was that, my friends? Jessica will be back next time, but thank you for watching. Happy Halloween!